Hello students, this is Aisha, your English educator, and today we are going to do exercise number C related to the poem Forest Fire. So let's start now. Here's an activity, you have to do it. So a student acts as a news reader and reads out the following news items. Others will listen to the news item and do the exercise. So suppose that I am your news reader and I am reading this news before you and reads out the following news item, and you have to listen me very carefully, and then you have to answer all these questions which were given below. Here you can see them, those questions. So let's start now. Just suppose that I am your news reader. So I am going to read your news. The title of the news, or the heading of the news, is Fire engulfs bush forest. So New Delhi, about 3 acres of bush forest was damaged in a fire that broke out in the ridge area of New Delhi on Saturday. The fire, which began around 10 am, raged for over 2 hours. The fire damaged the green cover and destroyed the bushes and shrubs in the area. There have been several incidents of forest fire in the last few months alone, and high vigil is required. So according to the local people, smoking in the forest area and throwing cigarette stubs or lit matchsticks on dry grass or bush are said to be the primary reasons for such fires. The rich forest, known to be the lungs of the city, is critical for the sustenance of life in the capital city. So now, here are our question and answers. Answer each of the following in a clause or phrase. So what happened, what will happen, and what was the news is about. So the news is about the fire which won the forest. So we can take the answer from, you have to find out the answers by yourself, but now I am telling you. About 3 acres of bushes forest was damaged in a fire that broke out in the ridge area of New Delhi on Saturday. So where did it happen? It happened in New Delhi. So when did it occur? It occurred on Saturday. It fire which began around 10 am and when did it last? So for over 2 hours it gone fire, and then at 12 pm it got off. So next question, what did it happen? So what did it happen? The fire damaged the green cover and destroyed the bushes and shrubs in the area. So last question is, what is the green area known as? So the green area known as the rigid forest, known to be the lungs of the city. So the green area known as the lungs of the city. And why did it happen? Why did it happen? Just because the carelessness of the peoples, and according to the local people, smoking in the forest area. So why did it happen? It happened because of smoking in the forest area and throwing cigarette stubs or lit matchsticks on dry grass or bush are said to be the primary reasons for such fires. How long did it last? It lasted for 2 hours, from 10 am till 12 pm. So when did it occur? It occurred on Saturday. So where did it happen? It happened in New Delhi. So first question, what happened? Forest was damaged in a fire that broke out in the ridge area of New Delhi. So these are your questions. I hope you understood what I mean and you understood what the news is about and what should we do for the forest and what should be aware of these reasons, and we should avoid these reasons. That is why we can save our environment, our nature. So thank you.